Hi, I'm Chris Bramall, the founder of Deploy AI. We help UK SMEs turn administrative waste into execution time. Most leadership teams we meet are losing over 150K a year in productivity because their highly paid managers are bogged down in 10 to 20 hours of manual admin every single week. Most SMEs face three hurdles: decision paralysis over which AI model to trust, risk blindness regarding GDPR and data leaks, and tool overload, where expensive licenses like Copilot become shelfware because there is no strategy behind them. Without guidance, you either lose your competitive edge or you invite disaster. So, we've found a way to solve this with our proprietary Decide, Control, Deploy framework. It's more than a methodology, it's a risk management system that ensures you move fast without breaking things. First, we decide. We audit your workflows and identify your top 5 ROI opportunities. Then, second, we control, building governance, GDPR, and protocols and safety gates your business needs. And finally, we deploy, building a live automation for a key process and training your staff, which is very important, all stakeholders, to ensure measurable ROI within weeks. So, to sum it up, decide, we audit your workflows to identify your top five ROI opportunities. Control, we build the guardrails, GDPR protocols, and AI usage policies to keep your data safe. And thirdly, deploy. We don't just give you a deck, we build your first automation, train your staff, and stay for 30 days of hypercare to ensure it works. So, in our business, we operate on an ROI first basis. We identify your highest friction workflow first, and the hours and costs that we reclaim from that initial win effectively fund your next implementation. And that creates a compounding effect of efficiency and returns. So, what about your AI implementation journey? Your journey is structured for speed. Month one is about the foundation. By month two, we've proven the concept with a quick win automation. And by the end of year one, our typical clients have 3 to 5 live automated processes, all self funded by prior savings. And what does success look like? It's 10 to 20 hours reclaimed per manager per week. It's a GDPR compliant department and a confident trained team with zero shelfware. We're operator led, and if a tool doesn't save you time or money, we don't build it. When we say operator led, I've spent many years in the construction and manufacturing sectors. So this is stuff that I really understand. To move even faster, eligible West Midlands manufacturers can access the Made Smarter grants. These can cover up to 50% of our fees. We act as your facilitators handling the application to lower your initial investment. And why act now? If you're wondering why you need to act today, it's because the landscape is changing. Tool saturation means everyone has the software, but few have the strategy. Economic and regulatory pressures, like the upcoming AI Act requirements, mean that manual admin is now a liability. We help you move from being at risk to having a clear competitive advantage by reclaiming those 10 to 20 hours per manager every single week. The gap between AI enabled and non enabled businesses is widening. Let's identify your top 3 to 5 automation opportunities. Book a free 30-minute AI audit call at deployai.co.uk and let's get to work.